This is the returnable. Today I'm going to make a video with you guys, and I know it's nothing about food, but I said if I'm showing you step by step easy way to cook, why I'm not sharing that with you guys. But I love when I'm done cooking, and I like my house to smell good. So I always after I finish cook, and I always use some on this. Okay, guys. So um, if you can go on any store or Amazon or Walmart, you can buy some incense, any type you like, and any smell you like, you can buy them. But first, they don't pay me to do no commercial for them, so I'm sharing my idea with you guys. So you can use any type of incense. Okay, so let me show you. um Hold on. Okay, this is the one, is the way it is. So this one you can't use it, so I use it all the time. Or you can buy that baby, you're going to find it on dollar trees. It's really good, guys. If you find it, buy a couple for your kitchen, your bathroom, any room you got at your house. Buy couples of it. Okay, guys? So you buy one on this, and what you did, you buy one of that tiny candles. So that tiny candles, I always buy it in an IKEA. So I think you're going to find 100 for $4 something. So it's good for you to buy an IKEA. So what you're going to do, you take off um the candle inside. I don't know if I'm able to do it. You take it off like that, and then what you did, you can buy any um any oil, natural oil. I got French rose, is really smell good. So you put a little bit in, and then you get one of that candle, and then you put it under and the oil, and then after that you get one more, and then you light it up, and then you put it in it. You don't have nothing to do about it. You don't need to come and turn it off, because you're going to turn it on all by himself. So when you're done, that one, you can put it right there. Okay, you light your baby up, boom, your house smell good. Or you can have this one. This one is the tall one. Okay, so how you going to do it, you bend the top end like that, and then you light that baby up, and then you put it inside the wall. Okay, guys, and then your house smell good. Or if you don't have none of those babies, I make my own for the bathroom. What you're going to do, you can get any covers. You don't need any body spray. You get it. And then if you like to use candle all the time, and then the wipes, you got some wipes left, you can you get one of these. Oh, it's not important. You can get the wipes candle, you put it in there time to time. It's going to give you your own incense holder. Okay, and then what you're going to do, you're going to put it on. You light that baby up. You get a plate, you put it in it, and then now you got a incense holder. But if you don't have those two, so only one opportunity you have, so do it. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe on my channel, like and thumb up, and please support me on my other YouTube channel called The Returnable. Bye bye. I love you.